Hi, I'm Brady, and welcome to the latest Tuesday Newsday video. Today, I actually want to change format and do a shout out for a local business that's doing something fairly new and offering a really cool promo considering the shelter in place. So I want to talk about a company called LucidLink. And in order to understand what LucidLink does, we first have to understand what a NAS is. So what's a NAS? NAS, short for Network Attached Storage, is like a hard drive for the network so that everybody on the same network in the same office or a home office or whatever can access the same information, shared data, right? It's usually called the server share. However, the main downside of this is that it's local. You can't access it from home unless you set up a VPN, and that's pretty painful to do if you've never done it before. And now that we're all in shelter in place, all of a sudden this has become a bit of a problem for a lot of people that have NASs in their offices. So here's what LucidLink does. They give you the same experience as if you had a NAS, but they have you upload that information to a cloud location online storage that gives you the same access controls, so you can still decide who can access what folder. You can still attach them to each computer as if it was there on the network. And it gives that access benefits of the cloud rather than it being local. And it's also better than a server if all you're needing to do is share files and information. So they're kind of doing this hybrid between cloud storage and a local server. And the reason why this differs from traditional cloud storage is that cloud storage is not usually well designed for incredibly large amounts of information. And also, most cloud storage, usually at the lower ranges at any rate, has to sync to the local computer, and you start worrying about the amount of data that you're syncing and how much space you have on the hard drive for each computer. You can run out of space really fast. So it's better for large volumes, and it's not synced, which gives you not only the ability to keep your computer free of that information, but it's also a security benefit. By not having that data local, you don't have to worry as much about that computer getting compromised or hacked into. Now, this is a particularly specific kind of software service, so it's not for everybody. There's a few people this is for. Photographers, videographers, people with really large home entertainment setups, a lot of movies, music, TV shows, that kind of stuff like that, and small businesses that happen to have a NAS already, and they're starting to struggle with this work from home balance, and a lot of them are choosing to stagger who goes into the office so that you can have social distancing, but they can actually access the information and work. So this gives them a lot more functionality. Everybody can actually work from home properly without having to do something complicated like a VPN, and it's actually not terribly pricey either, and that's where I'm getting to the promo. The coronavirus outbreak that we've had going around has led us to a point where everybody's slashing their prices because they're trying to help people encourage working from home, and the LucidLink's no exception. They've simplified their model. They usually would charge for the number of devices that are attached. They've really just simplified it, and they've made it for the data usage that you're putting in. They do it by the terabyte, and so their baseline model is $16 for a terabyte worth of information, and then it's kind of fractional as you go above a terabyte. So it's really simple. I really encourage you to check it out. I will also post the link to their page in the description. So check it out. And in the meantime, are you interested in other topics? Leave a comment below so that we can talk on that in a future video. And don't forget to like and share this video, especially if you know people that happen to have a NAS. And subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more content. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I'm Brady, and I'll see you again next time.